Today, one of our high-frequency vacuum dryers is set to embark on a journey to the United States. This cutting-edge machine is designed to revolutionize the wood drying process. By using high-frequency technology combined with vacuum drying, it delivers faster and more efficient results while preserving the wood's natural beauty and strength. Every dryer undergoes rigorous testing before it leaves our factory. We ensure that each unit meets our stringent quality standards, guaranteeing reliability and performance for our customers. Whether it's for high-quality hardwood flooring, furniture, or exotic lumber, our high-frequency vacuum dryers are trusted by industry leaders around the globe. With a unique ability to dry wood faster and more uniformly, it reduces drying times and enhances productivity in the wood industry. Our customers around the world have seen firsthand the impact of this technology. From the United States to Europe, Asia, and beyond, our dryers are helping businesses thrive. Once the dryer passes our quality inspections, it's carefully packaged to ensure safe delivery. Every step of the way, we prioritize the protection of the equipment, so it arrives at the customer's site in perfect condition. From our factory to yours, we manage every detail of the shipping process to ensure timely delivery. Our mission is to continuously innovate and provide efficient, eco-friendly drying solutions for the wood industry. We believe in building long-term relationships with our customers, supporting their growth every step of the way. Join us, let wood drying easier and faster in transforming the wood industry.